Next, we will discuss a convenience sampling method. Convenience sampling is a non-random method for selecting a sample. This method selects individuals that are easily accessible. Here's a diagram that summarizes the convenience sampling procedure. When is the convenience sampling useful? In pilot studies, convenience sample is usually used because it allows the researcher to obtain basic data and trends regarding his study without the complications of using a randomized sample. There are advantages and disadvantages for every procedure. The main advantage of the convenience sampling is that the procedure is convenient and inexpensive. But on the other hand, it is a non-random sampling procedure, so generalization is questionable. We discussed the convenience sampling, the procedure itself, the example, and its main advantage and disadvantage.